If your Git history looks like a spider web that got hit by a tornado, it's probably your fault. Too many devs treat Git like a magic wand. Oh, I'll just merge this and hope for the best. Or worse, they think Rebase is some arcane sorcery that's too dangerous. Here's the deal. Git merge and Git rebase aren't magic. They're tools. You just need to know how to use them. Let's settle this once and for all. A messy Git history is like leaving dirty dishes in the sink. Sure, you can ignore it, but eventually it'll stink up the place. Pull requests get confusing, code reviews become a nightmare, and God help you if you need to figure out who broke what and when. Let's get this cleaned up, shall we? Git merge is for people who just want to get things done without thinking too hard. When you run git merge, Git does the bare minimum. It smashes two branches together. It creates a merge commit to say, hey, we did it. It's like shoving two jigsaw puzzle pieces in one place even if they don't quite fit. Functional? Sure. Pretty? Not so much. Pros: no rewritten history, and it's easy and safe for teams. Cons? Your Git history now looks like a twisted family tree. If you're okay with clutter and commit messages that say merge branch into main, then fine, merge away. Rebase is for people who care about history, like really care. Instead of merging, Git Rebase rewinds your commits and applies them on top of the latest branch, one by one. It's like taking that messy journal of yours and rewriting it into a perfectly clean version, like you always knew what you were doing. Here's what happens. Git plays back the commits from main. Then it replays your commits on top, step by step. It's beautiful, linear, almost too perfect. Pros: clean, linear history. No messy merge commits. Cons: it rewrites history. If you screw up, good luck. Collaborative branches? Forget it. Rebasing will make your teammates want to fight you. Or worse, when should you use what? I'll make it simple. Use merge when you're working in a team and don't want to risk rewriting history. You need something quick, safe, and boring. Use rebase when you're working on your own feature branch. You want a clean, linear commit history for a pull request. If you rebase shared branches though, congratulations, you just bought yourself a ticket to Git hell. Don't do it. A clean Git history is more than just aesthetics. Debugging is easier. Who broke the code? Check the timeline. Pull requests are cleaner. No one wants to review 15 merge commits. Your teammates won't hate you. Git is already hard enough. Don't make it worse for yourself. Here's the difference in one sentence. Merge is like taping two chapters together in your book. You can see where things join, but it's ugly. Rebase is like rewriting the whole chapter, so it flows perfectly. No one knows what the original looked like. Pick your poison. If you're going to rebase, first of all, back up. Create a safety branch. Number 2, never rebase on shared branches. Seriously, don't. If you're merging, clean up your commit messages afterwards so they don't look like merge men into main into feature. Oh, I give up. Git merge and Git rebase aren't enemies. They're just tools. Lazy? Use merge. A perfectionist, go rebase. But if you're just smashing buttons in Git without knowing the difference, stop. Take 10 minutes, learn this, and save your future self a lot of pain. Are you team merge or team rebase? And if your Git history is already a disaster, well, hit that like button for moral support.